So one question I'm always asked is, when do I net my tree? And the best time to net it is of course after it has set fruit. So let the bees pollinate your flower. Once your fruit have set and they're about, yay big, so about the size of a big cherry or even a little bit bigger, then net your tree. And it's really important that you do it before the fruit start to mature. So make sure you've got about a month of time with the net on the tree. And then once your crop finishes, take the net off and move it on to your next tree. So a beautiful heavy duty net like this is really versatile. It's a great kit to have in your shed because you can just keep reusing it as the fruit come on all your different trees. So a piece of exclusion netting is a really essential piece of equipment to have in your garden shed for your home orchard. My name is Kath Kermode. Thank you for watching this video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. Please click on the bell to subscribe to our videos so you don't miss any, and keep watching here at daleysfruit.com.au.